talk.
Ha, now wow. You think about saying that go marry?
Now, but let me talk.
Sister Joy, woman mwegi, I don't know him mwegi.
For God, I rebuke it in Jesus' name. For God,
wait.
Me am go like we traditional for Nigeria. Children they born for here.
The blessing
Wait, I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand, Sister Joy.
Wait, Sister Blessing, wait, me Mama Barcelona quick finish you.
Let me talk finish. This one at the talk so. Now go Nigeria, now go kiss every cow. Now want to traditional marriage. We on they stay now be single mother, single father. Or you born whether na married for you. Now be kiss every cow to do marriage. If not go do Nigeria,
forget about that one. You are doing it for yourself.
That traditional marriage now the first before you do the rest.
The first.
Tajo, wait. If you want to a marriage very good, if you don't go do that Nigeria make sure you say you do court marriage for you.
But that one are first. That one
are for later.
How many people will don't go kiss every cow for Nigeria? No, be single, they see no they put for you. They know that's husband and wife.
They
know that's husband and wife. Secure where you
are not doing it for your boss, sister. You are doing it for yourself.
Yeah, I tell you. Me, I do it for Igbo. If your children you marry for Europe, you can't get where your children they get. Your husband, if they work for company, where they work, if they are amount where they are.
Okay, that means you not do her. So now you do.
I do 3 marriage. I do.
You the talk away.
Let me tell you something. If you do court marriage, you do all the marriage. You do your papa or do court.
Court marriage. You can do court marriage at any time. You can do court marriage at any time.
Mama Barcelona they talk so. Mama Barcelona they talk so. No, they understand what Mama Barcelona they talk. That one I go do for Africa. So that one for una side for Africa. Not that one for them. This one what they do for years. So it's very important for our children when I born for year. Now they tell them so. That one when I do for Africa. So do you think he have benefit for our children for the law of the Europe? Yeah, that's what when I do for years. So now our children forget respect. Even the when I do for Europe.
You got salary where they go there.
Yes, everything. For the children, it's they're good for the children. Not be that
money where they give them.
They try to tell now.
Well, the color be your one.
Don't think that the children wanna born for years, so they get time with una tradition when they do Africa.
Hello, I say that I will cut marriage. I will cut marriage.
Okay, now you want to say I want to cut marriage.
We are single.
Do you know the respect why there for the children, but did you want to do for Europe here? I think Africa out there important for the children.
I will cut marriage. You need the cut marriage. You need the
Mama, a live video will hear about that's where we are cut wedding. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.
Sister, I beg, how do you call her wedding gown? You need a cut marriage,
a live video will hear Tamada for when I are able to live video will hear Tamada. We'll get cut.
He don't marry for court.
Why didn't he make a cut? Why didn't he make a cut?
Who can we cut marriage? You know, get
Justice for court marriage.
Justice for court marriage, all the old women. Advice someone that they do court marriage.
That's why they make me they say children when you born for year, you are gonna do this. Now because in Nigeria they for born you, now you make that Nigerian marriage.
No, wait, that one when they talk so, Sister Favor. Wait, mommy bless you, yeah, talk. Bad children when you talk, they talk, yes, yeah, we they wait for you.
Many some people women know for year. They are as in they get their children here. Their children don't grow. They'll go have together. They'll go. Their children will go marry. I don't see many like that. That make me ask.
That's the way that they marry.
The father and the mother will follow their children go as they'll go marry for house.
Yeah, you foresee the husband. Now Europe, you have been in Nigeria, foresee the man.
All of them day here.
Hey!
Did that people shout?
I don't see. That make me the talker. I don't see.
America. Now they born children. Now all of them married. If Papa did that, now
How
they
can
do
my
everything.
children go family and say,
Who
oh,
make them
no,
go
no,
marry for Africa? That one, who's can talk? They go marry not because that we when we don't grow, we go marry for Nigeria because our papa, our mama did that side. Now make us go to do it. As far as you there, your husband there, you there, your children supposed to do it for years.
I tell you, you carry my pikin.
Go Nigeria.
Now wait till I see. I wait till I
No,
see.
I know say now what you see, but it not make sense.
it not make sense.
Now wait till I see.
But for we fit don't do it because at there we therefore born us our parents did that side.
Because
Go
me
home
still
on
ask. I still ask
Go
before I
home
come see
on
ask.
You see surprised say
Both
those
of
people
una
why they
dey
go
here.
to Africa so their papa and their mama not see their alive for where carry their children go
I
marry
can't
for
say
Nigeria.
both of una dey here. Why una children not do it here? They tell all of them they go ask. So let
I
me
beg
really
you.
ask say why.
That one a tonteria.
Even the woman where they carry pikin, one go marry for Nigeria. Since when husband pay dowry, if they go another webo, I'm always marriage.
When we go use Africa, carry my own children, they'll do white wedding for my church. They'll do court marriage. They'll enter house. I'll go carry they go Africa.
No, Peter.
Go even though say my
Tradition
papa.
so for your house where you and your husband there, they go do it for Carlo there. Everybody they go come, not say go carry they go.
Even though say I
well.
don't get papa, I don't get mama. I don't go even free carry they go meet my papa, meet my mom.
Talk of just imagine. They go do it for your palace for European because now here you dey your husband there.
Americana. Well, marriage. Once it start for year. Yeah, Americana way one marry. If Papa day, Mama day. Now he do the marriage. He do everything.
now.
He do court.
They
They carry
supposed to
out,
do it
do
now.
everything. Oh, come
We
carry my
go dey
pikin
do
go
it for
Nigeria.
Africa
Go
because
do
our
marriage.
parents dey that side. The children, their parents dey here. They go do it for where their parents dey. That's how it's supposed to be. Oh, go carry the children. You know, say children go carry go.
Read comment. Wanna read the comment here now. Wanna read the comment here now. People they go and they'll carry their children go and go do wedding. Wanna read the
They just want to Korea.
We will
That
there.
don't
We
make
not
sense.
carry our own go.
We will not go carry our own
We
go.
not carry our own. Who want carry you go? Make carry you go.
No, I just sit here. Oh, this girl wait they Holland. Wait, mama there.
It's two ladies for Germany.
Was
Last week. You're good. That one are that two big lady that now therefore that side not be we.
Don't take Germany they pay them for Germany. You know
Now
what
you
they don't
this one
gather.
not be any
That's why they see money to go do it for Nigeria.
Now big
Now,
risk
good
though.
Una
That's
good
what you man
afternoon.
talk. He said a big
Good
risk.
afternoon, my sister. You are welcome.
Na
Yeah,
big
man.
risk.
But people now wait. People where they carry the children go Nigeria go do marriage. People where they say they still get father, they still get mother from Nigeria because they don't understand the traditional marriage. That mean they carry their children. That mean they still they carry their children go do traditional marriage for Nigeria. I said, Niana Muyo.
Who they make that noise? Who they make that noise? The noise
Okay, for example now, sister, I want to ask you a question. Oh. For example now, you be Nigerian. No, I don't take it to example. May I choose another person. What a person where born for Mali? Mama na Nigeria. So you go carry the man for Mali. Jonah go Nigeria, go do wedding.
Wait, if as he born for Mali, then the Mali he go no say when you born for man. So now the man no go the father side, they go the man side because they say man I be senior now.
See.
So now the man side.
Woman now they go they marry now. Now the woman side now they go they marry now.
No, as far as say the woman go marry Mali, he go do it is go Mali side now.
No, you know go Mali. Now Mali supposed to come Nigeria, come marry the woman.
Now Mali supposed to go Nigeria go
Yes.
marry. And now when he
Mali.
when he born for
Now
Mali,
Mali supposed to go Nigeria, go marry the
now
go
girl.
because,
marry and now
Mali
when
like
he
they
born for
marry
Mali.
Africa.
Question when he asked me now say what of the question when he born for Mali?
Yes.
So now Mali is supposed to carry that pikin go because now Mali ma born her for.
Not be that one with the talk. I beg, Mona wait.
Mali born the pikin for. Okay, now Mali they will go.
Now Mali they will go.
Yeah.
But other way, get one question where one Nigeria where somebody answer why be say now when person die now when their father die now be new people they say come do marriage.
Yes. Let me ask the question.
that one not be obligatory, or not be you not be other must. So family go say, want to before they always happen when their father die. They go say because if the man not pay bride price when the father die alive, when the father die, if he not still pay, they go say he not go fit participate as a family.
As a family, yes.
No me say na by force.
Not me say na by force. Now if the man really want to do it, he get money, he go do it.
Okay, but the woman feel drop money. Now let the man, I not go feel come there.
No let the man not go. If the man go. No be say the man not go, but he not go do as a family.
As a family, maybe when you come bring the family, do all those things. No,
He not go do anything like that. He go just
Like,
when he go
when my mama, when we want to bury her. So my husband come invite people say, wife, mama die, oh, they'll do bury her so day like this, they'll go. So
Yeah,
my husband family come say me, I call. When I call them, they say, say we come from big family and we many. We know they go party like that. We go carry bus and we go take their own canopy. I go write their name put. You understand? So Tommy, Abula Potter, Arabiani, Abula Potter. So
why that noise for the
husband,
farmers? Which noise be this one?
who be that one? Abula, thank you, Jesus.
Na she.
I don't meet her. So he can't tell me say I have to. They will come many. So me I carry canopy for them. Your right hand put say so family like this. So they are the one that they call their papa. Now that one come ask me say Mudane o bury animal na masi emugo you own there. Now say yes. Then my husband tell us say I power my Nigeria. Okay, you understand? Because now
for that one, they that for when family than for West, you are supposed to know make canopy because we are not there, they will stand by you.
yes, that's what they tell me. I can't
Yeah,
give them.
you go get their canopy now. The one way not pay bride price, they not go allow me they get canopy. So now make song go say okay. You go pay bride price.
They all use opportunity to do one. Yeah.
Yes.
So not be just immediate, maybe like burial, do some burial where they put like 3 months, 6 months, 7 months. They will do their burial before then. They will do their marriage before the burial.
Now that one make me ask that question. Say, why be say when the person never allow
Thank you, Jesus. Wait till you put for them when they make noise.
Say this. Say person not. They're not the program man down. They're not the program man down.
The thing not doing.
So the something not just come like that.
why be say the person
No, some people then they will say no. Some may go there, they will say no. Like my sister, where my father died, the man said no. Say he not go do and make the do burial. After that, we go pay bride price. First say mother still there alive.
Why better pass?
So some not they agree, some not they do, some go say no.
If that woman a fed daughter,
Yeah, because
the man a selfish man.
If the man not go get money? If money not there with time, you go for some.
Never they say if you never reach man, no they do man nothing. If you never reach man, not do man.
No marry, Abi.
You just pause, arrange yourself.
Those who got the use better they push that they go.
I ain't gonna born for there. But at least if you don't born one, you go see rest. Don't you get one man for our backyard. That man, there's his first daughter, children, senior me. They call the canopy. I call the ask my sister, say, what did they do for you? He said, the man first speaking one marry. The children senior also. That's the first daughter, children. I can't imagine. So, okay, when they call this, since the children they small, they not pay bride price.
They see.
No understand.
No, if we say more to talk and that thing not good, sha.
Marriage. Too many, not good.
I know say some people see they talk and say, if they like me born finish before it do marriage. Many people see they talk but even though say You understand? Many people saying one may fair born finish.
Born finish,
Okay.
yes.
But if you want, if you born finish, you do small marriage with us.
Thank you. No, you have to go do that small one for us. Then later you can go do big one.
You can't do big one because it still make you still they get respect.
At least
You get one brother now where I get one party when I go. Me wa get brother na your one when the get pin we corner now where we take it easy, madam. After we don't come out for they come meet me ah. Staja why I can we me with man yo mo ko but we ye marriage again. Or be with baby mama. Understand? So me can you go say baby mama they has na never put money for that one. We had a big second baby mama.
Okay, now okay, the man get woman for house.
Get woman, get children.
Mm.
The girl they ask me say whether me don't go in marriage. Now me come answer and
Okay,
say
whether you don't got the man married, I thought they never put money for that one where they house.
why me they call and say baby. I can't tell her say okay first baby mama they ask now. You want to be another baby mama?
Baby mama, yes.
Eh?
Wow.
You know the one me they has he not put money for that one. And I joy you want to put money.
You want couple, yes, man.
You know about use that one take get sense. Say this man not will even marry any of them. May you suffer come up for that. Woman, the man when he even get fear of God, he's not even supposed to put woman for her without no marriage. You go marry her. At least respect go still there. He was there for the both sides. You understand? So I think they'll say some women they don't still put money for their they'll come they misbehave. Yeah, do I want make me have a model where I'm not married, they'll come they do anyhow. I know some men they fear. Now you see some men when they still married when their marriage not work. You understand? Second wife when they want another relationship when they work with another one go suffer. I go say no they marry even though say born 20 children for her. You married. You understand? And they go they talk for where the girl they the girl no go still care you why BLN. Man they tell you say say girl to first marriage don't first show you know they marry again. Even though say get 30 children. You yourself now you just still lock up for them say a doctor salobari you book on you. My sister will be your man no marriage.
No level.
The time when you continue do your marriage.
No, I feel contribute.
Yes.
Marriage of 18. Marriage is not by force. You know, marriage is for me. Marriage is not by force. You know, we women, we have to get our self-respect. You know, because woman when get self-respect, when you get what they do, when you know you what. You know, go end up with that kind of end up with that kind of man. How much more that kind of situation?
Yes.
You know, now women we get low self-esteem, we no know self-worth. For me, now they end up for that kind of situation. You know, because as a woman, you know what you want, you know who you be, you know your value,
you know your worth.
If you never feed yourself, what do you talking? See?
No, I say you know your worth. Yes.
Yeah, because any country you dey, you know, you have to integrate to that system. You know, find one thing where you want apply the one school where you want go to read to take make living, not for now, for the future sake. You know, now how you present yourself, 9 man will take come into your way. How can men where they end 1,005, 1,002? You can't do waiting. That one that money. Wait, you want to start for. If you want to really live well for you for a month, that money is nothing. That kind of man, you're going to say you won't go out with them. Who to say you won't get picky for them? Do you know how much it takes to raise a child? You know, so women have to get self-respect. Not be every man you will end up with. You know, how can somebody go just stay alive? You don't born heaven and hell, born prince, born a princess for them. Your father will train you.
You go come die. You no go drink cola nut for your head. You no go drink ogogoro for your head. You no go drink palm wine for your head. You go pass it, you won't come pay your black life. Fuck the man and fuck that marriage.
What kind of marriage is that?
That is my opinion. Everybody with you, that's it. Man, when not we go try carry you to your papa house, go do the necessary thing. After they are gone, it doesn't deserve you.
So,
Now when the papa come die, come no say you want to go put for what? You can't be like saying about first marriage.
Amen.
About first marriage, that marriage. My question also for women, if women won't go out with man, when they ask the man, say, what is your occupation? What are you doing for a living? Ask, and they ask, how much are you receiving in a month? If the man not fit disclose that to you, you walk away. You know that the man is not for you. Not be say you're going to give excuse, say you want to buy land, you want to do driving license. All those are basic things in life. Those are permanent basic things in life.
My sister, you are right. Let me tell you, me I still talk for this matter. Another person if still talk. That one, even though say, let me tell you one thing, marriage. I know say some people say how much some relationship they say how much they end a month. How much you can't look the ass everything. If you look that one, my sister, nobody go marry for this Europe. You understand? Nobody go even marry for this Europe.
That's what I say. That's what I say. The woman, depends on the woman self. Depends on the woman status in the system.
Yes, if two of them join together, that marriage go work. You understand?
Yes.
It depends on the woman's status.
When me born my first
on the woman's status in the society.
Yes.
No, my sister, no, that one I say maybe say come go school.
Wait, let me tell you what. Wait, you talk. When I born my first my boy, I don't get paper. My husband don't get paper. I get belle. My husband say, "This belle, leave on." I look on. I say, "Okay, I'll leave on." That time I did Barcelona, he did Valencia. I said, "This belle, I'll leave on." I can't sit down. I can't look. Say, I don't get paper. My husband, no, this boy, because we all know. Me not get paper. He not get paper. So I just born. I want to cope. I want to do everything. You understand? So I don't fit. So if they call, he want come more back on. I say I don't fit. I start to go back. I go come on the belly. When he come, say he want come pack my things every day. I tell him, say I never ready because no paper, nothing. Say why me they talk like that? That one pass. Another belly constant again when he come out. So when I tell him, I not me. I see you take drive. When I take park on. Husband when I did today, no document, my husband not get paper. When I park, my husband go carry a friend document, start to the work. That's why I take born my first one, I born second one, I bought third one. My small boy when he did two, and when they want complete 13 years old. No paper when I born them. They never grow. You understand? So before paper come, they will leave. We even better pass who get passports.
Yes.
When they will dress come out. They will dress come out. You will not get paper go dress all day. Imagine say, how all these people think they live?
Yes.
So not be by money.
Not be by money.
Not be by money. Say how much demand get or hazard. You know, money at this time, money are picking up the waka. When you take God and say, I don't get rich, I want marry, so picking up will come.
Yes.
The time when you not take your money, you they find. The time when you don't even think and say, I want settle down, picking go yours they come. You go they throw where. The time when you come to say, I don't ready to settle. Now you see many girls on this road today, no charge.
Yeah.
They're going to do this one. They're going to do this one.
You understand? So as you take gather,
what you not get, you not take trade, your stuff they use everything. Children go, they grow, they go. Many people will see me today, they'll say, Sister John, are you born this boy? Sister John, are you get it? Yes. Because that time when they carry caro, girls that time they see they carry bag, they travel, they laugh me, say, how I be you say, I may be. But we are living from within our own flat, we not get one room. We'll still do dedication. We'll still do birthday. My boy now is complete 20 years now. This year now he want complete 20 years. My sister, I never do 3 of the birthday together. One day ask them for this Valencia. I go do this one better. I go make the talk say, why you like party? My sister for Palma de Mallorca say, it's a joy. Oh, I like a party. Be stressy. And they celebrate and they do their birthday. I go do that time when they will do for school. They will constantly do for us. No documents. Nobody even smell and say, how these people they not get paper. Where my people go see, they call me say, Star Joy, me I come help you arrange your children room now. When they say no view me, and I guess as we were worried no be. They still they beg me that time. I'll still give them. Those two people when they talk about so they get passport. You understand? So they're not they talk about money, say that man, how much they reach no. If you not get €1, €2, if you not use and wear, you go carry on and go a long way.
But yes.
You understand? So this life, if there's something they talk about, no people will get children for this Europe.
Auntie, I want to ask you one question,
Yeah.
A man, when know what he wants for life, when know what he wants for life, he go work towards that thing when he wants. There are some men when don't know what to do. Okay, as your man now, you go to and say you get second belly. Do you think that out of 100, maybe honest though? You go say, you know get better thing when they do. You know what picking. Now, how may go accept that kind of situation? Be honest.
That very day, now he drive come Barcelona, come back.
Not be all men, not be all
men. Yeah, that's why if you want to the date man. That's why if you want to follow man, you go not the kind of way you want to follow. Not go follow my way the yellow waist. There is man, there is man.
Right. There is man, there is man.
Not be about. See, I don't judge people.
May I tell you what?
I don't judge people with their appearance.
Yeah, may I tell you what? My husband, they talking for this live video. My husband can't even change some people because that time the day street, you know what he say the day street. I said when my husband start work. One girl for our church, he talking for my presence. Where two of us see for church say, it's a joy because they don't know say I get belly. As a young con, they call the express say, this girl, if you come 3 days, what they just come out. This one when you come they go church 1 week, 2 weeks, never come because they don't know cause as Miss Lee, my belly not bring come out, my belly 5 months, my belly never even come out. You understand? Nobody even know say I even they wear shorts for here, my belly, I see they throw away belly. But nobody know. Now that line when they pass belly, they come, that people come they notice say, again, I'm not what work for me now. You understand? When we that guy say when he hear say my husband they work, he say he can't go where they for the also because if they quit they come he can't stay the money say Emmanuel where I don't want to make sure that's when they say now yeah they follow 5:30 you go enter bus of one. He say he can't through wait for 5:30 you go gather for when me oh come matter no. He said the thing shock you know expect am. And we constantly go one of his friends because one of his friends his mama can't die. So we can't go. Yes. So this one a life story. And this lady they tell me for church say,
not your boyfriend be like that.
Yeah, my boyfriend you were because that time we still the nobody knows say I get belly. You understand? Okay, right now one of his friends, his mama, they come and say mama, bye. We can't go. As man they go, can't carry me follow body. When this man away, hey, a small because I small. A small Barcelona na we one na ye me ba. E we call for we have for the call. Because that time, that maybe they talk and some people say that Shentroma not the marriage. Shentroma when ready to settle. That maybe they talk say Ashawo when you do Ashawo when you really do prostitution. If you don't marry, no they look outside the gate. Now it already did there. That makes some of our men say they go marry to Ashawo, they'll go Ashawo for a bag with that time. They'll bring woman come, they'll marry her. Because it's not going to change again. So Shetro, they marry. You understand? So when we reach there, the man they talk say, Smally my barren. That's my content. I say, what about you Smally, ama? Smally no he be. Why am I? How what with my old guy? Deja, when I with if friends. Not be smart, you know. The girl when they friends. Other one, when they come surprise, when me born, they come they say, I work in the beer. Here with now wow. Now where him now have a Luman. Atafia a boyfriend here have a Luyan. Here when you get now what do me one with corner was for beer. Man, because any of back now so all of them. two of them can't carry belly for it. They say they don't they come on, now they take born their children. When mommy is money, no yamu beer.
Come on, that is my point.
You understand? So, if it good way, if man tell you say this pikin born for me, he will respect you. If you they use belly to the portion and say, "Eko na ya bio, daughter we need man eko," and the man they tell you say he never ready. Anything you see for them, you bear them.
There are some men go tell you say this pikin. Some men go say born this pikin for me. They don't go take responsibility of that child. It they also.
You know, you know,
Yeah,
like,
it also they.
Yeah.
You
You
don't
just
see
get up. You are among of those people that have
We
that
have
dog.
yeah.
yeah, don't see and
People don't Indonesia.
for
If
what
you
you
don't
see.
Indonesia, you know
that kind
when
of
you
if they
go
do the go, you go to sweet you.
Go see my family. Oh yeah,
even though Indonesia not go either work, no, he has source of income, no, he not go fit do anything. You know,
Yeah,
fit do
this one-
anything.
This story where Star Joy your thoughts so Joy that time na smally. At the age never reach 40 years. Now your husband they pursue and they go say, I'm
I
married.
never even reach 30
Star
years.
Joy wait.
Okay.
Star Joy wait. Now your husband
Never
even
even
they
reach
pursue.
20 something.
You get where they go. Now your husband they pursue that I say, I go more marry you. You go work for me. You understand? But nowadays, since 2015, woman, they don't agree with my pursue them again. They don't lose their age 40 years. Oh wait, he make your man know. Yawa ama o. Or you marry me o. Ya bi me o. Ya wa bi o me o. Eh, gbọ́ pẹ̀lẹ́ ni ọ̀ní ọkàn ní ju ewu. Ọmọ náà gbé kalopi. Biara. Because now you go put yourself for there.
Yes. How do they desperate you? What don't you win? I want be na.
By forced marriage.
And most of
Why
our
you
girls
go
go
on
just
the
say
echo
they are free
by
your
yourself?
born. Or see how be or see how be na. How do they desperate?
How
Oh,
many
yes,
people?
that one here.
Some people
Yeah,
go
what
there.
be na ya one.
That's
You
right.
remember they tell you say born. Me and they
As
talk
you
today.
do
If you
so.
dey my house, you come a small boy, 13 years now, one complete. So you who are like but the other friend why I like to my you give your way say. My husband who to say na in your need them. I mean, you decide say this Europe, Bugatti no amuna won go afia ye ha. No, you understand? So the first thing they come for our women side. This first thing they come for our men side. I know say some yeye ma ni ati e bona. They just here where again no you go your life destroy the woman life. You go your give her belle or wale. Let's echo I munona. Don't know say some men they this Europe. Where their baby
Not be the woman life is destroyed. Now himself in the
Zajan, that one when you talk so man give you belle, he don't leave you. So pikin, like wa vijeme bodo. The Kenyan wa puche karo no tiny bodo.
Valentina,
We have weapon.
who did todo po
We
you
want
vale?
woman wey
Bonela
dey
Alpha.
mass.
Bonela
Zajan,
Alpha.
they listen. Mo say, we no say they go talk and say, if you marry favor you, you not favor another person, no be problem. Now so that they talk. Man, you were there as mass. It's okay. He don't reach 40 years. May he born every year. May you not born your pikin, may you start to take up. You go come see woman wey be say, man no marry am o. He born for one boy. The pikin never reach 1 year, they quarrel. And they quarrel. That pikin never reach 1 year o. Oh, I am no sagbavo. Oh, I saw a little sagbavo with a baby of 8 months. Before you know, you don't get belly for sagbavo. Oh, why a peony? He was to sagbavo don't quarrel. Pikin never see the 1 year. You don't go join Fossa. You don't get belly for a Fossa again. See that woman now where the car they come out for Tito that day. No one really eligible. And when you are done it, you go near. A jammy when you pass. Oh, me 5 enough your ladian. Rock manoke bero. That kind of woman not go donate money for them. Go away, they open leg and not there.
Now, why am I born the children for?
First children for papa.
Yeah.
Because they make call they no money. Jamie say me come out.
Four children for papa.
4 children for papa.
That woman wicked though.
How the children? Now 1 year they blessing you. 1
But
year.
I can't they follow the men. Wow.
Mama I go come the house there. I say we have the money. He say a mistake you want no. So make mistake for first one, second one, third one. Code number 5.
Now, wow.
People
Let me tell you one story.
There's a born 2 years. You were not there as man. It's a born anonymous.
Let me tell you one story. When I did Barcelona that time, church when I did go, that Sam's church, Sam. When church of Banore Sam,
yeah, that big church.
That big church, now that church I did go that time. He get one woman. The woman they do usher for the church that time. That woman, a pastor, now church people. Let me say pastor, now they pay her strength. They do everything. You understand? This woman, they okay, they work, they do everything. He can't they friend this boy from Italy. The boy can't give her belly. As he give her belly, he say, he want park come here. Make the yard stay. The man come, he say, man go park it in. The man, you're wrong. The man baton about the and the woman not confident they work. They can't push her for work. You understand? Yeah. So he can't cry, go church. Church can't they help her, they do everything. When this woman born, this woman don't born. Now the man take contact and they can't still come again, can't carry the man. He never say me go tell pastor say my husband come church ask when pastor they pay they put I know say na one room a day. The man come now, the man want come out he give another belly. This woman started they had belly they go before church people come to say get belly. He can't explain to pastor. People come they talk say made the your forgive and say na mistake.
The man call wait give the man also come for the second one.
He just say no. Actually, a born pikin that he can't greet her and they can't. I don't know. The man, you don't even follow go church or no dedication, nothing. You give another belly. The man come on. This man come they hide belly they go. Go they do it before church come no. So pastor come to say they want come on their church people come they quarrel. So some people come they talk say na mistake. If it happen, he born the second one. The man come again give another belly. That pastor, you are not stand for altar.
The woman, they mad. They are not correct. They crazy. Idiot.
Mad woman.
Now very mad woman. Yeah, not correct.
Now mad woman.
Pastor, you carry microphone for altar. Me I don't know say that man get action that time. He just measure the woman name come on. They draw you two children. They follow body. He get belly.
You know what they do. You don't know what they do. She's crazy.
I found you to come to this church.
Yeah.
He said because
the woman,